Hello, so today we want to talk about how to renovate an old tired lawn. So this is the lawn before scarifying after we sprayed it with weed killer. And then we double scarified it and then mowed it. And then we overseeded it and top dressed with Jack's Magic. So join me for the next part and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you are the first to know when I've uploaded a new video and how I can help you get a great lawn. Oh, this was the lawn the week after, on Thursday the 8th of July. We came in and we double striped it to give us the guidelines for the application of the granular fertiliser. In this case, it was the 10521 from the ICL CRF mini range. We then sprayed the Stello Bio Boost and Galactic Green and then called it a day. And then join me the week later when I think you'll agree something epic is in store. Good afternoon, it's Thursday the 15th of July, just after lunch, getting on for 1 o'clock, and I think we'll all agree that this is looking mint. So just going to trim the edges and I'm going to cut it with the rotary and then cut it with the cylinder, and just watch this space because this is going to be an epic turnaround. So join me shortly when we've done it. Ooh, can't wait. So I cut with the hater. This was to remove excess growth that the cylinder wouldn't be able to cope with because the lawn had grown quite a while, just in case you were wondering. And then I go over it with the cylinder to get that extra shortness, which the rotary won't do in increments. That'll only cut 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, whereas the cylinder you can micro adjust to whatever you want it. And to polish those tips up, so I don't know why, but it stops the rotary doing damage to the leaf blade, because if I just leave it with the rotary, there's a chance the foliage will just go white, whereas if you cut it with the cylinder after, it stops this from happening and keeps it nice and green for the next day. He's only gone and done it again. Come on. Time to party. What a result, hey? What a result. Let's just have a quick look. We're not even finished yet. It's only just started. Yeah, any doubters out there? Doubt no more. Because I have performed miracles once again. So, what do you think about that for a result? After 2 weeks? I know I started like 5 weeks ago with the weekend and that, but I only actually put the seed down in Jack's Magic 2 weeks ago. And I fed it last week with the 10, 521 and Stellar and Galactic. And it looks absolutely stunning. I just can't, I've no words to describe how I feel right now. But I just can't wait for the customer to see it, because this is why they got me in. So I've just sent the customer a text, and hopefully she'll forward that on to her husband, because by the time he gets home from work, he won't actually probably see it in its glory like this. But when I hand my bill over, it should be received with many thanks. So yeah, I mean, it's still quite thin on the ground, but this seed's come through nicely, and we've just got to let that mature now, and then in 2 to 3 weeks this lawn's going to be beautiful going into the autumn. Oh yes, this is why we do it. I'm really pleased with this one, because I didn't think we could get anywhere near this, but we have. So time to stop slobbering. I'm going to go and get on with the front, and then get on with the rest of my day. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video. I certainly enjoyed making it and seeing the results, and hopefully I've inspired you to have a go yourself. I didn't use any chemicals in that video that aren't available to the homeowner, or any tools that aren't really available to the homeowner either. So coming up next is a talk about red thread, a disease that is prevalent at the moment. We're in July and it's absolutely running riot everywhere, but with a few hints and tips, we can't cure it, but we can certainly give it a go of trying to control it. So join me next time when I talk about red thread, and don't forget to subscribe so you know first when I've uploaded that video. So just press that button in the corner. I'm happy, you'll be happy, everyone's a winner.